Yo guys! So, watch this video if you have an Xbox One controller that is possibly broken, you put in fresh batteries or you plug it in and, well, if it's plugged in and you press the button, it should light up. If the batteries are inside and it doesn't light up, then yeah, you tried some fresh batteries and it still doesn't work, then maybe there's something else that's wrong with this controller of yours. I found some videos on YouTube which all pointed to either like syncing up with the Xbox or kind of trying fresh batteries, and that's kind of where the troubleshooting ended. I did have a fresh pair of batteries and it didn't seem to wake up, only seemed to wake up with the USB connected. So I decided to dig a little bit further. This is some advanced tutorial basically, or some tips on getting this thing repaired. So if you're not comfortable opening electronics up and soldering, then this is not for you. But if it is, then let's crack on. So first of all, you want to open your controller up. There's a button on the underside in the battery bay. As you can see, there's 4 controllers on each corner. There's some tutorials online on how to open this thing up, so check them out. It's very easy. Once you have this thing, all the screws out, then the faceplate can lift off. I'll try to do this with one hand so I can film as well. But yeah, then the faceplate comes off. You want to get this thing off as well. Let's see if that's possible. So don't do it like that, but use 2 hands if you can. So we got the rest of the body out of the shell, and at the underside you are greeted with this little thing. So the problem I found was that on the left side there's the battery tabs and they are soldered to the board, which is great. But on the right side, as you can see, there's no battery tabs. The battery tabs are actually in the shell, as you can see right here. This is the positive and negative side of the battery tabs, and there's actually a little spring. Let me see if I can show it to you. There's actually a little spring right there, a little tab that touches on the motherboard right there. So this little tab right there was oxidized and corroded for me, so there was not a good connection with the batteries and the controller, and that's why it didn't work. So I touched it up with a fresh dab of solder, and putting this thing back together, everything worked perfectly. So this is a tip for you. If you tried everything trying to fix your controller, didn't work, dab up this little thing with solder, and yeah, hopefully it works again. Okay, good luck, and let me know if it worked.